Hello and welcome back. You know that our platform sharepredictions.com shares algorithmically calculated short-term price movement predictions for common stocks from American stock markets. And now you can also find option contracts for common stocks at our website. And in this episode today, I will try to show you how to find this information at our site when doing your analysis for common stocks. Let's start. So I am already at the predictions dashboard, and it is a place where you will be able to find the option contracts for each and every common stock. I've been analyzing AMD as an example, advanced micro devices. I can see the reference prices and the prediction trend and the volatility figures and things like that in this chart. If I'm interested in trading in this stock and maybe I want to do a more detailed analysis on the stock itself, I can scroll down here, and here I have an export to CSV button here. By clicking on that one, I can basically download the data and perform the analysis on my computer as well. You can select different time intervals here to see for example, I've been looking at the last 30 business days or market days, but I can have a look at the past 90 market days as well. And further down on the list, I can also see now the option contracts, the top 5 calls and puts respectively for the underlying asset itself. Obviously, calls and puts are not really limited to the ones that we list here in our platform for the common stocks. What we're looking at primarily, apart from some other small things, the trading volume. The trading volume needs to be high enough or relatively higher than other option contracts so that we see the value in putting them here in our list. And also the expiration date of those option contracts need to be at most 2 to 4 weeks from today. If the option contract has an expiration date, which is 3-4 months away, we are not interested in them. We are interested in them that have relatively higher trading volume, and the expiration date is not really that far away from today. This list is updated on a daily basis. So when you do your analysis on the common stocks, now you get the chance to see option contracts as well on the same screen. If you come here and write the name or ticker of any other company, then you will see the predictions, reference prices and volatility figures of that common stock. And if you scroll down on the same screen, you will see puts and calls for that underlying asset as well. And that's it. It is how you find the option contracts at our platform, sharepredictions.com. Thanks for listening and see you next time.